physically demanding but highly rewarding activity. Let me therefore begin by congratulating each and every one of you for your commendable performance and show of military discipline throughout the exercise. By this, you have demonstrated our core values of integrity first, service before self, and excellence in all that we do. The route march exercise is a vital component of our operational readiness. Beyond the show of force, it is also a test of our physical stamina, mental alertness, and collective determination. It is about pushing the boundaries and sharpening our bodies and minds in preparation for the challenges we face in fulfilling our constitutional mandate to defend our nation and its airspace. Physical fitness remains a critical component of my command philosophy, particularly under the key enabler of deliberate training and mission-oriented force development. In line with this vision, I have approved the construction of modern sporting facilities in several bases across the country, including our bases in Minna, Katsina, Enugu, Yola, Lagos, Enugu, amongst others. Furthermore, a wide range of modern gym equipment has been procured for over 22 Nigerian Air Force units and will soon be distributed and installed accordingly. In addition, the Military Training Center in Kaduna is being equipped with appropriate combat games facilities aimed at enhancing confidence training and unarmed combat skills of our trainees from the onset of their induction. With these investments in equipment and infrastructure, physical fitness is no longer a matter of choice. It is a non-negotiable requirement. As a matter of policy, I have directed that all performance evaluation reports must be accompanied with physical fitness test certificates. Furthermore, no personnel will be considered for promotion without being physically and medically fit. This instruction applies uniformly across all ranks, and there shall be strict and uncompromising enforcement of this directive. Reflecting on today's exercise, the march we just embarked upon is a powerful metaphor for our broader mission. Just like the route we traversed, the journey towards national security and lasting peace is neither straight nor easy. It is marked by steep climbs, uneven terrain, and unforeseen obstacles. Be that as it may, those who persevere, who stay the course with discipline, focus, and resilience will ultimately arrive at the destination. And that destination, ladies and gentlemen, is a place of victory. Let us at this juncture take a solemn moment to honor our fallen heroes, those who marched before us, who trained with us, and who laid down their lives in defense of our beloved nation. Their sacrifice must never be forgotten. Each time we don our uniforms and step forward in duty, we honor their memory and continue the noble journey they began. On this note, I would like to commend the Chief of Administration and the Commander 053 Nigerian Air Force Camp Abuja for their commitment and meticulous planning in the organization of this exercise.